Project Nomad and Doug. Hi, Doug here. Ellis Kar Kustoms, home of Project Nomad, and a whole bunch of cats. There's, speak of the devil, there's one over there. Thanks for coming back to hang out with me. Thanks for checking me out if you're new. This video is going to be kind of different because I'm sort of in between projects on this and waiting for stuff and making a plan. So I thought it'd be cool to do something different. I'll explain shortly. But first things first, I want to thank my friend Keith Whitmire. I'm not sure how to say it, but Keith was super generous in the super thanks. I don't know if any of you saw it in the comments, but just wildly generous. And I wanted to take the first opportunity to thank him so much for the generous gift in the super thanks. Anytime, you know, I don't know about other channels, but I'm just a little channel, and anytime somebody donates to me in the super thanks, they're going to get a shout out from me because I really appreciate it. We're just a small time operation here, obviously. As you can see in the surroundings, I don't even have sheetrock on my roof. But yeah, anytime somebody is that generous, you're always going to get a lot of appreciation from me, little guys like me. But I'll spell out what this video is going to be all about here in a second, and hopefully you'll stick around and check it out. Thanks for coming. Take care. So this old Jeep is a sad looking dusty mess, but at one time it was restored and then kind of pushed to the side and left to get dusty. But I figure a neat video to put up would be to I didn't film any of the restoration on this that I did back 6-7 years ago, but I took a lot of pictures. So I thought maybe I would kind of put up sort of a montage of pictures and music or something of how much work did get done on this Jeep from the time I started on it. I've owned this Jeep since 1993. I bought it for like $275 or something. I drove it for about a year, parked it, and then it sat from then until 2019 when it finally rolled out of the barn. I do have footage of the first time I backed it out of the barn. I may throw that in, and I think I have a little footage of showing how bad the core support and everything in the front was. But I figure you might get a kick out of that, give you a break from Nomad content, and maybe some Jeep people will enjoy that.
She had love, just not for him. Told him not to pass this way again. Blinded by rage, ignore her pleas. He'd have her back and on her knees begging, please don't let me be forgotten. He called her man out into the street. Love on his side, how could he be beat? A cloud of smoke and a shotgun blast, and someone had just breathed their last just 'cause he would not be forgotten. Standing as the other died. The sheriff said it was self-defense. He knew the risk and the consequence. That he lies in their eyes, forgotten. They lay him low in an unmarked grave. No minister, no soul to save. No one showed when they covered his bones. Left his earth all alone in the end.
So that's the long and winding road that Jeep took from sitting for 20 odd years to rolling out of the barn. And it still runs and drives. I think with that one, I went too far. I over restored it. And then as you saw, like from the pictures of the bottom of the thing, I don't want to be the one to get it dirty. So I just never put a plate on it and never registered it, and it just sits, and now it's dusty. I did clean it up last summer or whatever before I started on this project, and then I rolled it back there and it just got dusty again. Jump edit, my heater turned on. I need more storage space, I guess, for the ones that I want to hang on to. But I appreciate you hanging out with me once again. Keith, you're a superstar in the super thanks. I really appreciate it. It goes a long way towards feeding the kitty cats and feeding the Nomad. And that's what it's all about. Take care, everybody.